If you've ever wondered how to control which object appears in front and which object sits behind in Inkscape, then this video is going to make that super easy. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how Inkscape's Z-index works, how to move objects forward and backward, and how to use the Layers and Objects panel to visually manage stacking order. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. In Inkscape, Z-index refers to the stacking order of objects on your canvas. Think of it like a stack of papers. The object on top is the one you see first, and the objects underneath are partially or completely hidden behind it. Every time you draw a new object, Inkscape places it on top of the existing ones by default. That means the newest shape is usually in front, unless you manually change the order. Now let's look at the fastest way to bring an object all the way to the front. First, select the object you want to move. Then press the home key on your keyboard. This instantly moves that object to the very top of the stack, placing it in front of everything else on the canvas. If you want to send an object all the way to the back, select it and press the end key. That moves it behind every other object, which is perfect when you need something like a background shape or an image frame to sit underneath your design. If you do not want to move an object all the way to the top or bottom, Inkscape also lets you nudge it one level at a time. To bring an object forward one step, select it and press Page Up. To move it backward one step, select it and press Page Down. This is really useful when you are arranging overlapping shapes, text, icons, or illustrations, and you only need a small adjustment in the layer order. Instead of guessing where each object sits, you can also get a clear visual overview using the Layers and Objects panel. To open it, press Ctrl Shift and L on your keyboard. This panel shows your objects in order, and the objects at the top of the list appear in front of the objects lower down in the list. That means you can instantly see the stacking structure of your design. Even better, you can click and drag objects in the list to manually reorder them. This gives you much more control, especially when you are working with complex artwork and lots of overlapping elements. So if something disappears behind another object, or if your layout feels out of order, just use these shortcuts and the Objects panel to fix it quickly. Home brings an object to the top, End sends it to the bottom. Page Up moves it forward one level, Page Down moves it backward one level, and Ctrl Shift L opens the Layers and Objects panel so you can manage everything visually. Once you get used to these tools, controlling Z-index in Inkscape becomes fast, simple, and very intuitive. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Inkscape tutorials, design tips, and easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.